I am not sure you already know or not, but I am adding pages to my food encyclopedia as I enjoy cooking, and I feel it's time to make this book more fun. So today I am going to make a cooking journal. First of all, I am wondering which type of notebook I use to make my journal. Binder type, paperback type, or hardcover, or spiral notebook. I am thinking right now. Okay, I decided I chose this spiral notebook because the pages inside are completely blank. Covers are thick and hard, kind of. I have this white marker and I'm going to draw a front cover of the journal. Now I'm going to add a new page. I made this nut hugging bear cookie the other day, and I'd like to add this adorable cookie to my cooking journal today. Firstly, I made a sticker sheet as you can see. I randomly spread pictures and illustrations, and I hope this will help to make the page kawaii and cute. I mean kawaii and fun. I also got these masking tapes and colored pens and pencils, origami, and ham-ham-chan. Okay, well, I'm going to start. Maybe we can put from the important things and then later on we can just fill the gap. The most important thing is this itadakimasu moment. They are so excited to have bear cookies. Okay, let me put where we're going to put maybe here. And next important thing is this nut hugging bear cookie stickers. Let me put here. Top, top. Let me go with the vibe. Oh no, what's happening? I cannot peel it off. Oh, why? It says cookie oishi, and Megu is rolling up the dough. Oh, that's the movie night invitation that Ham-Ham-chan sent me. And this is the movie that we watched. It's Ham on the Moon. Oh, there's an oven too. He says Din. There's a tiny Haruchan there. Oh, it doesn't focus. But he's saying I love nuts. Nuts hugging bears. Nutty, adorable, oishi. That's nuts hugging bear cookies. Meg says oishi too. Ta-da! This is the spread I've made today. Wow, I haven't tried much of this type of journaling yet. And it was so fun. I was so focused that I remained silent. Okay, this is all for today's video. Bye!